Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's recipe is a really quick and easy go-to recipe of mine. It's my spinach and pea 2-cheese pasta, which is something that I always make for my kids when I have limited time on my hands. It's simple, easy, and it's gooey as well. So let's quickly run through the ingredients and let's start cooking. So the ingredients you'll need are 200 grams of pasta, and I'm just using penny pasta here. I have 100 grams of baby spinach. I have 1 cup of frozen peas, half an onion which I've diced. You can use white if you wish. And I have 2 different cheeses here. I have 50 grams of mozzarella and I have 50 grams of mild cheddar cheese here. And I have 2 garlic cloves which I've minced. And for the sauce, you're going to need 600 millilitres of milk. I've got semi-skimmed here, and 25 grams of flour and the same of butter, and salt and pepper to taste. And also you're going to need a kettle of boiling water to boil your pasta. So let's start cooking. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to place our boiling water into a pot and bring that to the boil, and then add the pasta in. So the water's come to the boil now, and straight in with the pasta. And we're going to cook that for about 7 to 8 minutes until it's slightly al dente. But we just need to give it a stir. That just prevents the pasta from sticking together. So come back to that when it's ready. And in the meantime, we're going to prepare the rest of the ingredients. So I've preheated the pan, and in with the butter and the onions, and you just want to cook them until the onions start to soften. Then in with the garlic, the smell of butter and garlic and onions. It's just something about that. And that's just bubbling away. So a few more minutes and this will be ready. And we are now going to throw in the flour and cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes until it gets rid of the rawness. So this is now ready for the milk, and just in with the milk, and then bring that to the boil, and it should start to thicken up once it starts to heat up. Make sure you constantly keep stirring it. We want a lump-free, smooth white sauce. At the same time, just keep an eye on the pasta as well, just give it a stir. So the sauce has started to thicken up nicely. A few more minutes and that'll be ready. And the pasta is almost done now. Yeah, I'm just going to take that out to show you. So it's more or less done. And what we're going to do now is the frozen peas. We'll add this because it's got a few more minutes left now of cooking. We're going to add that so it just cooks the peas through. And give it 2 minutes and it should be ready. So I've just moved the camera a little bit more nearer to the pot so you can see exactly how things are looking, guys. That's how we want the pasta sauce to be. It's still a little bit runny and it's just taking a little bit longer because I'm using this pan. If it was in a smaller pan, a bit more compact, it would have cooked a lot more quicker, but because I'm using a big saucepan here, it's taken a little bit longer to cook. But that's how you want it. You want a really nice thick sauce which is going to coat the back of a spoon like that, and then you'll know it's ready. And I'm just going to take that off the heat now. And just put that to the side and just wait for the pasta to cook, and then we'll be ready to put the rest of the ingredients in and assemble the pasta quickly. So the pasta is now ready, guys, and I'm going to go drain it and show you the next step of the recipe. So the sauce is now perfect and ready. So guys, everything's ready now. What we're going to do is we're going to go straight in with the pasta and the peas. And then you want to add your spinach. This is pre-washed. And then just gently fold that in. And the spinach will just wilt with the heat of the sauce and the pasta. And you want to do this before you add the cheese. It smells lovely. That's so creamy. And then in with the mozzarella and the cheddar. And we're going to season this with black pepper and a little bit of salt because the cheese is already salty. But we're going to check the seasoning once we've mixed everything through. Just mix that up. You can see the cheese is starting to melt as well. And that is my really simple and easy spinach and pea pasta. And I'm going to plate that up and I'm going to show you exactly how it looks. So guys, that's the recipe all done and dusted. I'm going to dig into this now and tell you exactly how it tastes. Oh, so creamy. Cheesy. Spinach. Tastes fab. Gonna have to go in for another one. That's really good. Everything's so good together. Peas are cooked. Spinach tastes fab. Cheese is melty and gooey. The white sauce and the onions add that depth of flavour in the pasta. You can taste them in the back of your throat. So guys, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed watching this. If you haven't liked, shared and subscribed to my channel, then please do so. And also press the bell button to be notified of any updates. Till next time with another video, take care and happy eating.